Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title of this video, we will be making broccoli madness salad. My mom got this recipe from my cousin Cynthia, who's in California. Shout out to her. And today my mom will be making this salad, and she will be just teaching me how to make it. And hope you guys recreate this salad. If you guys do recreate this salad, please drop it down in the comments and let me know if you like it. So if you want to see how we made this salad, yummy, 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 please keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.